Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a door handle on a Kia Sorento. First, carefully examine your door handle to understand the specific issue. Is it completely detached, or does it just feel loose? Check both the exterior and interior handles to pinpoint the problem. You'll need basic tools such as a Phillips head screwdriver and a trim removal tool to get started. This initial assessment saves time later. Next, we'll remove the interior door panel to access the handle mechanism. Start by finding and removing all screws, which are typically located in the armrest, door pull, or behind small covers. Gently use a plastic trim removal tool to pry the panel away from the door frame, releasing the clips. Be sure to disconnect any electrical wiring harnesses before fully detaching the panel. Now, with the door panel off, you can access the handle's internal components. Carefully disconnect the linkage rods and any mounting screws holding the handle in place. If you're replacing the handle, install the new one, ensuring all rods and cables are correctly attached. If repairing, tighten any loose screws or reattach disconnected parts. Test the handle's function several times to confirm it operates smoothly. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the door panel. Carefully align the panel with the door frame and press it firmly into place, ensuring all clips engage. Reinstall all screws you removed earlier. Once the panel is secure, perform a final check of the door handle, power windows, and door locks to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully fixed your Sorento's door handle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.